Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 308 SW in the GT line specification. So this car comes with a lovely large panoramic glass roof. There's also 18-inch alloy wheels, full LED headlights, there's tinted rear windows. You also get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got the red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen features sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done 10,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.